Guys, 3-year highs on GBP, JPY. This is the 4-hourly time frame. What we saw here, having a quick look, let me zoom in for you guys. We see this is a 3-year high back in 2018. We saw a high right over here. We actually broke past it now. We saw a bit of a retest on it to push the market further higher. So currently we're still seeing a fair bit of strength in here. There's no real indication the market's ready to push back downwards. But again, this does not give us an option to jump back on board, right? So what we want to see for the market, for us to jump back on board, is to see the market push back down, regardless of how high it goes. We want to see it come to sort of push back down, back to this support/resistance zone for potential rejections, and then we can perhaps look at getting back on the train to the upside. However, if we break past below the zone, we need to start looking at rejections against this to push it further to the downside. Have a quick look here at the weekly term time frame, actually the monthly term time frame. We can actually see here major highs that were hit right over there. Now you guys can see, right? Let's get a bit of a thinner pen here. We can see these highs. This is where we were broken right now. This is kind of where we're sitting. What we're looking for is a potential rejection coming back down. To look for where we can see the market reverse to start looking for rejections is around here, roughly around the what I've got it here, the 165,400 mark zone, 165,410 zone. We can kind of look for it around that area where the market can maybe push up to and reject back down, to come look for potential areas of rejection to push it further high. Now we can see we still have a very high point to go to back in February 2015, so that was a very long way to the upside if we can stay above these current support/resistance zones. But like I said, right guys, if we do see a break coming in back down below here, we could see something maybe that looks like a head and shoulders to push this market further to the downside. Obviously we can look for smaller internal moves coming back down to this neckline, or then eventually we can start looking at rejections over here to push it further to the downside. So that's kind of the update. GBP, JPY, guys, these are the options, what we're looking for, what I'm looking for. Stay tuned, trade safe.